Hey guys, let's fix this issue quickly. And so in the first step, go to search bar, type here sysdm.cpl, and from the search results click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on advanced tab, then click on settings, and make sure you have to do these all things as you can see on my screen. Set all these things and then click on OK. After that, right click on the start icon and click on settings. Now we need to click on these three lines and scroll down, go to privacy and security, and then click on general tab. So we need to turn off all these options. If you see enable, then turn off all these options, then close this window, and then we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here %temp and hit enter. So delete all these files, select all these files and click on delete. Once done, do the same process for the temp also. Open temp, select all the files and folders and simply delete them. Once done, close this window and restart the system. You can also check out our description and the pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.